Good morning, students. It is a computer science class of grade 11. It is a lesson number 8. The topic is tuple operations. So let us take tuple 1 is equal to, you have to use rounded brackets. You have to use only rounded brackets. Inside that you can give 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then let us take another one tuple. Tuple 2 is equal to, you have to give only rounded bracket. Then inside that you can write 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. Then now, if you give print inside tup1, that means tuple 1 plus tup2. Listen carefully. This tup1 is also a tuple and tup2 is also a tuple. Both are tuple. If we add both the tuples means, then if I give enter means what is the output? So enter, so the output is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Okay. Have you understood? Okay, right. So let us go for one more example. Okay. So now I am opening a new window. Here I am typing tup1 then is equal to, for example, 6, 8, 9. Then tup2 is equal to, for example, 2, 4, 6. Okay, fine. Suppose if I give print tup1 plus 2. Okay, so listen carefully. Last time we add both tuples. This time this is tuple and this is normal integer. Can I able to add these two? That's the question. So if I give enter means error will come or not. Okay, you just think and say. So if I give enter means yes, error will come, because you can add only, you see, you can add a tuple and a tuple, but you cannot add tuple and a number. Suppose if you want to add the tuple and the number means you cannot concatenate, you will get the type error will come. Understand? Okay. Then in the same way, print tup2 plus anu. You see here, this is a tuple and this is a string. Can I able to add these two? If I give enter means what will come? Yes, error will come, because only tuple and tuple can be added. Tuple and string cannot be added. So it will show a type error will come. Understand? Okay. Then what about the next one? Okay. I close this one. Let me go for one more example. Okay, fine. So tup3 is equal to, you have to give only within rounded brackets. Inside that 11, 22, 33. Okay, fine. Then okay, print tup3 plus 3. Okay, plus 3, 2, 1. Listen carefully. This tup3 is a tuple or not? Yes, it is a tuple. Of course, this tup3 is a tuple. Then within rounded bracket 3, 2, 1. This is a tuple or not? Yes, this is also a tuple. So tuple and tuple can be added. Understand? So that's why if I give enter means no error, it will show 11, 22, 33, then 3, 2, 1. Understand? Okay. Suppose if I give print tup3 plus 3, 2. So this is also a tuple, and of course within rounded bracket is there, no? So this is also a tuple. So if I give enter means no error. So 11, 22, 33, this is tuple 3, and 3, 2 is this tuple. So both can be added, no problem. Now I am going to ask you one important question. What question? Print tup3 plus within rounded bracket. Simply if I give 3 means, if I give enter means what will come? Error will come or not? You tell me. So this is a tuple. So this is a number, but it is coming in rounded brackets. Maybe this is also a tuple. So if I give enter means, why error is coming? Can you able to guess what is the problem here? Yes, because listen careful. This is not yet, you see, 3, 2 within rounded bracket. This is a tuple, whereas simply 3. This is not a tuple. This is not a tuple. Why? Because tuple means compulsory there will be a comma. Tuple means 2 rules are there. One thing is that you have to use a rounded bracket. Another one is that you have to use comma. Without comma, it is not a tuple. So this 3, this is not a tuple. Understand? Because there is no comma. Okay. Suppose if I give like this, print tup3 plus 3 comma. Okay, if I give enter means, yes, no problem. Why? Because this is also a tuple and rounded bracket is there, then comma is also there. Of course, this is also a tuple. So tuple and tuple can be added. That's why because of this tuple we get 11, 22, 33, and because of this 3 is added. So no problem. Understand? So what I want to say is, tuple means you need a rounded bracket and you need comma. That's all. Got it? Okay. Shall we go for the next one? Okay. Right. Now what can we do? Okay, done. Listen. TUP4 is equal to, okay, rounded brackets, then 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Then print TUP4 star 2. Okay. If I give enter means what is the output? Come on, say. Yes, superb. You see, this tuple will be repeated 2 times. So 9, 8, 7, 6. So 9, 8, 7, 6. 9, 8, 7, 6 will be repeated 2 times. Suppose if I give into 3 means what is the output? So in here, if I give into 3 means what is the output? Yes. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 9, 8, 7, 6 will be comes in 3 times. Got it? Okay. So you know how to replicate the tuples. Okay. Now we are going to see how to slice the tuple. Okay. Okay. Shall I open the new window? Okay. Now I am going to teach you how to slice. S-L-I, slice the tuple. Okay. Fine. How to slice it? First of all, tuple 1 is equal to, I have to give the number, any number I can give. For example, 33, 44, any number I can give. I am just giving 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, fine. Now, if I give print TUP1, you have to give, you want to slice means you have to use square brackets. Once again I will say, you want to do slice means, slice na onnilla, in the tuple irundhu ஒரு particular portion மட்டும் 4, 5, 6 மட்டும் கட் பண்ணி வெளிய எடுக்கிறது அவ்வளவுதான். இல்லனா 6, 7, 8 கட் பண்ணி வெளிய எடுக்கிறது. That's all. That is called slice. Okay, you are taking a particular part from the tuple. That's all. Okay. So you want to make slice means you have to use square brackets. You have to use square brackets. Okay, fine. And here if I give 0 ல ஆரம்பிச்சு then 6 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிஞ்சிரணும். You see 0 ல ஆரம்பிச்சு 6 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிஞ்சிரணும். That means the answer is 0 to 5. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? So enter, you got 0 1 2 3 4 5. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Then print, if I give tuple square bracket, then inside the square bracket, you see, you want to make slice means you have to use what? You have to use square bracket. Don't forget. Okay. I'm giving 1 is to 6. That means what? 1 la start பண்ணனும், 6 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். That means you have to start from 1 and before 6 you have to finish. So the answer is 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? So enter. What happened this time? Name is not, you see, tup is not defined. Here, listen. Here I gave tup1, but here I gave only tup. That's why you get the error. Okay? So listen carefully. You have to use print tup1, then use square bracket, then inside the square bracket you have to give 1 is to 6. That means 1 la start பண்ணனும், 6 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So start from 1, before the 6 you have to finish. The answer is 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? Enter. Super. The answer is 1 2 3 4 5. Got it? This is called slice. Okay? Okay, let me explain you with one more example. So listen, what I am going to do is slice. Okay? Okay. என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, okay, tup1 is equal to since it is a tuple you have to use rounded brackets. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I am going to do slice. So print. Okay, what I am going to do is tuple1. You see this tup1, here also tup1. Okay, pakka. Then you want to do slice, right? Slice means you have to give square brackets, then close brackets, then within the square bracket you have to give 2 is to minus 2. Okay, so if I give enter means what is the output? Tell me. 2 is to minus 2. Any idea? So enter. Listen, 2, you have to start from 2. Okay, that means 0th index, first index, second index. You have to start from 2 and you have to close before minus 2. But this is called minus 1, minus 2, okay, minus 3 and minus 4. Listen, okay, understand what I am saying? What I am saying is index number. The minus 1 index, minus 2 index, minus 3 index. Okay, so minus 2 index க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So இதுதான் minus 2. But the minus 1, minus 2. So minus 2 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So 7 ஓட finish ஆயிடணும். Understand? minus 2 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So 7 ஓட finish ஆயிடணும். So that's why 2 ல ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம், minus 2 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். 2 ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So 2 to 7 is the answer. The answer is 2 to 7. Got it? Okay, once again, print tup1 is to 3 is to minus 4. Okay, so close the bracket. You have to start from 3, you have to close before minus 4. So you have to start from 3 and you have to close before minus 4 na. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 க்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிடணும். So 3 4 5 is the answer. Am I right? So enter 3 4 5 is the answer. Got it? Okay, so one more example. Print tup1 square bracket, so close bracket, and here I am giving 4 is to minus 1. Okay, so if I give enter means what is the output? So starting from 4, fourth index, and before minus 1 you have to finish. So minus 1. Okay, so 4 to 8 is the answer. So 4 to 8 is the answer. Got it? So once again print TUP1. Here 5 is to minus 3. Understand? So if I give enter means what is the output? Starting from 5th index and close before minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So the output is 5 and 6, right? So 5 comma 6. So hope you what is called slicing. Okay, fine. Now I am going to explain you with the steps. I am going to explain you with the steps. Okay. So let me copy this one, close this one, open a new one. Here, oh my God, it's gone. So TUP1 is equal to. I may ask you one question. You tell me now. 22, 44, 77, 35, 7. Okay. Suppose if I give print TUP1 square bracket, now you tell me 2 is to minus 3. If I give enter means what is the output? If you tell the answer means you are the genius man. I will accept. Okay, now you tell me. So what is the output? Starting from 2. So 0th index, first index, second index. Okay, starting from 2 and closing before minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So start, no opening, no beginning. I think no output will come. Enter, no, nothing, empty set. Okay, let me explain you with one more example. TUP1. If I give more values means I can understand. Okay, so 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. What is the problem, man? Oh, TUP1 is equal to I have to give. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so I have to give TUP1 is equal to 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Okay, now there will be no confusion. You just listen. If I give print TUP1 square bracket, here 2 is to minus 2. Okay, now tell me what is the output. The output is, this is the output. How? Starting from 2, that means 0th index, first index and second index. So this is called starting from 2. Okay, then ending before minus 2. So starting from 2 and ending before minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. So 33 to 77 is the answer. Got it? Okay, one more thing. Print TUP1 square bracket. Inside that you have to give 3 is to not 3 is to 2 is to minus 4. Okay, now tell me what is the output. If I give enter means what is the output? So enter, the answer is, you see, starting from 2, that means 0th index, first index, second index, starting from 2 and ending before minus 4. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 33 to 55 is the answer. Once again I will tell, starting from 2, starting from 0, 1, 2, starting from 33 and ending before minus 1. ending before minus 4. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 33 to 55 is the answer. Got it? Okay. Now I am going to ask you one more question. That means print TUP1 square bracket. Listen carefully. 0 is to what is the final index? 0 is to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 I will give. 9 is to 2. Okay. If I give enter means the output is 11, 33, 55, 77, 99. Why? So 0 to 9. So from the beginning to the end you have to take. Okay. So this is called 0th index and this is called 9th index. So from the beginning to the end you have to take. Okay. Then you have to step by 2. So once if you take 11 means step 2, 1, 2 you have to take 33. Step 2, 1, 2 you have to take 55. Step 2, 1, 2 you have to take 77. Step 2, 1, 2 you have to take 99. So that's why you got the answer 11, 33, 55, 77 and 99. Got it? Okay. One more thing. So print, if I give TUP1 square bracket, then close bracket, inside the square bracket if I give 0 is to 9, that means from the beginning to the end. If I give 3 means the output is what? 11, 44, 77. How? From the beginning to the end. Okay. So from the beginning to the end, okay, you have to take 3 steps. So 11 எடுத்துக்கிட்டேனா 3 step, 1, 2, 3, so 44 தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். So 44 print ஆயிடுச்சு. So 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, 77 அது print ஆயிடுச்சு. So 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 out of focus. So only that's all. 11, 44, 77 is the answer. They understand what I am saying? Okay. And last one question. I'll ask you, you just answer me. Okay. TUPP tuple is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm doing correct or not? Okay, 9, 11, 22, 33, 44. Okay. Now, if I give print TUPL, then square bracket, inside I am giving what I am giving. Inside I am giving 3 is to, sorry, simply colon 3. Okay, simply colon 3. That means what is the output? You tell me. Tell me what is the answer. Enter. So very simple. No starting, no ending. That means you have to take the full tuple. Starting point கொடுக்கல, ending point கொடுக்கல. அப்படினா you have to take the complete tuple. Okay. So step 3. Suppose நீ 6 எடுத்துக்கிட்ட அப்படினா அடுத்து என்ன ஆகும்? 6 ல இருந்து 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 9 print ஆயிடுச்சு. So 9 ல இருந்து 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, 33 print ஆயிடுச்சு. 33 ல இருந்து 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3 out of focus. So that's all answer. So 6, 9, 33 is the answer. You understand what I am saying? Okay, done. Then at last I am going to compare the tuples. Okay, this is the last topic I am going to teach you. What? Compare the tuples. Okay, fine. So A is equal to 2 comma 3. Then B is equal to same 2 comma 3. Okay, then C is equal to single quotes 2, single quotes 2, comma single quotes 3. Okay. Now listen, A equal to B. A B equal are. Yes, equal, it is true. Because both are 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3. Okay, fine. And now A equal to C. The answer is false. Because A is 2 comma 3, whereas C is string 2 and string 3. So both are not equal. In the equivalent keta, the answer is false. Understand? Okay. And now I'm going to ask you one more question. Okay. Very hard question. The last question you think and answer me. Okay. Fine. So A is equal to single quotes A, comma single quotes B. Okay. Now B is equal to single quotes A, comma single quotes B, comma single quotes C. Okay. So A is lesser than C. The answer is what? C is not defined. Oh, listen. B தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இங்க தேவையில்லாம C கொடுத்திருக்கோம். Okay, A less than B தான் கொடுக்கணும். A less than B. The answer is true. ஏன்னா A means only 2 characters, B means it is 3 characters. So of course A is small and B is big. The answer is true. You understand what I am saying? Okay. Okay. So one more question. Tuple 1 is equal to Anu. Okay. Okay. Anu, comma Banu. Okay. Now tuple 2 is equal to, what can I give? Sino, comma Damu. Okay. Now TUP1 is lesser than TUP2. Okay. So if I give enter means what will come? True will come or false will come? You tell me. It's an ultimate question. Even I itself don't know the answer. The answer is true. Okay. Okay. Why means, listen, it contains A character but it contains C character. Okay. So A is small, C is big. Am I right? So here also B is small and D is big. Understand? Okay. So that's why it is telling, because of this A character, so this tuple 1 is small, and because of the C and D, this tuple 2 is big. So tuple 1 is small when compared to tuple 2. So the answer is true. Understand? Okay. So hope you understand. See you in the next class, and thank you very much.